Hello and welcome to Easy Steps Cooking. Today I will show how I prepare this garlic and parsley toast. Let's go to check the ingredients. So I'm going to use this melted butter. I put it in the microwave 20 seconds. And now I will put a pinch of salt and also the pepper. To mix very well, yes, like this. And now the 2 tablespoons of olive oil and the garlic. I'm going to use 3 cloves of purple garlic. Now let's chop the garlic very finely, like this. And I will add this garlic to the other mix. And finally we add 2 tablespoons of Parmesan cheese. It will have a very good taste. And now it's time to cut the loaf of bread. We are going to cut 1 centimeter slices. And we will put in a baking dish and we will paint with the mixture that we have here prepared. Like this. And now let's go to the oven, preheated oven 180 degrees, until you see the bread is golden. And while we are going to chop the parsley. Once they are ready, we will decorate with parsley on top. These toasts are ideal to accompany any dish. And please remember, if you liked, thumbs up, subscribe, comment. Thank you for watching and see you next video.